Hello everyone, welcome to my talk. This is the only way that I've found to be able to do it where you can see my face as well as my diagram very clearly. So what we're going to be looking at today is the connection between the circulatory system and the urogenital system. Specifically, remember last week we learned about how the kidneys filter the wastes out of our blood. And these filtering units are called the nephron. And we're going to look at how the nephrons work with the different blood vessels we learned about today. So unfiltered blood enters the kidneys. We see unfiltered blood enter the kidney, and then it enters the glomerulus, which is this sac where the waste is exchanged from the blood into the nephron. And then we follow it along this loop of Henle where it is we will see more capillaries, and then the urine is excreted. Let's look at this more closely. All right, so starting here, we see the unfiltered blood enters the glomerulus. These are called glomerular capillaries. Afferent arterioles bring the unfiltered blood, and arterial, remember, means away from heart. Afferent just means it's going towards the organ. And this capillary bed actually is so thin. Remember, capillaries are only one cell thick. And this is where wastes are able to be absorbed into the nephron, filtered out of the blood and absorbed in the nephron, where it can then be excreted. As this unfiltered blood goes through the capillary bed and the wastes are filtered out, it is then filtered blood that goes through what's called an efferent arteriole. Remember, arterial still means away from the body, so this blood is filtered now, and it's going to go away from the kidney, and it'll be pumped to the rest of the systemic body. These are also capillaries, which we'll look at closer in this picture. So we see, again, afferent arteriole bringing unfiltered blood to the glomerular capsule. These capillaries exchange the wastes, and then this filtered blood is brought back here, where this is where a lot of water reabsorption occurs back into the bloodstream. These peritubular capillaries allow for water reabsorption of the wastes through the loop of Henle before urine is excreted. But yeah, I think the most important thing to note here is that these blood vessels can take up water, and then they are pumped to the rest of the body to pick up more wastes in order to do the same thing over again.